Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz ML350 W164 and how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. As far as everything I'm going to be using in this video today, I'll have it all linked down below, all the tools, parts, and supplies, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So after you have your engine running on normal operating temperatures, pop open the hood and remove the front engine cover. And right underneath this cover, you're going to see your oil filter, as well as the area for the dipstick and the engine oil cap. I'm going to start off by taking out my engine oil filter with this oil filter wrench, and make sure you have a rag close by because there's going to be some oil dripping from here. Next, I'm going to be using my oil extractor pump, so this way I do not have to get underneath the vehicle. You just get the correct tubing, remove the dipstick, and insert it into the dipstick channel. Once you have the tube all the way down, give your oil extractor about 7 to 8 pumps, and you're going to have all the engine oil flowing completely out of it, and you should get about 8 quarts out of your engine. Once all the engine oil stops coming out, I'm going to remove the tubing, reinstall the dipstick, and then I'm going to install my new engine oil filter, which is very easy. You pull out the old one, remove these few O-rings, and then install the new ones. So as far as the engine oil, I'm going to be adding liquid moly 5W40. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy DIY oil change video for your Mercedes-Benz ML350. And like always, I'd really appreciate you guys hitting the like and subscribe button. And if this video helped you out, please make sure to drop a comment down below. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.